Let's start chapter 12, punctuations. Children, punctuations are very important symbols. Because of these punctuations, we can have the clarity and comprehension of our language. So let's learn which punctuation we have to use at what time. So let's learn where we have to use full stop. Full stop will be placed at the end of a sentence like Deepak lent me his bike. So to end this sentence, we place punctuation full stop. Now let's learn comma. Comma is used when we have to when we have different items in our list, then we have to use comma like she likes dancing, singing, playing basketball and going to the movies. So in this case we put comma. Comma is also used after yes and no, like is this your school? Yes, it is. So in this case, comma is used after yes. Now, comma is also used before or after the name of the person whom we are speaking, like hello, Mr. Gagan. Goodbye, Ravi. So in this case, we have put comma. Comma is also used before please and thank you. Like, I have had enough to eat. Thank you. So we have placed comma here. Comma is also used between the parts of a place name like Vikaspuri, Delhi. So we place comma here. Now let's learn where we have to put question mark. So question mark is used when we ask some question. So for these we place question mark at the end of a question like where are you going? What is your name? So in all these questions we place question mark at the end. Now let's learn where we have to use exclamation mark or point. So exclamation mark is used to show a strong feeling of surprise or fear, like what a silly thing to do. And also exclamation mark is used with strong orders like sit down, be quiet. Exclamation mark is also used after interjections like oh, alas. Now let's learn where we have to use apostrophe. It is used to show belongingness like this is Manoj's room. So this room belongs to Manoj. So we place apostrophe after Manoj. Now let's learn where we have to use quotation mark. Quotation mark is used when the exact words that someone says we have to put. Like this bicycle is mine, said Veena. So in this case we put quotation mark. Now colon. It is used when we have a play script, then between the name of a character and the words that character speaks, we place colon. Like Rajni speaks these lines. Then Maya speaks these lines. So in this case, we use colon. Now let's learn when we have to use capital letters. Remember, first letter of your sentence should be capital. You also have to use the first letter of the first word in direct speech in capital. The word I is always written in capital letters. Whenever you are writing the name of any people, place, then you have to start it with capital letter. Capital letters is also used after the initials in someone's name. Days of the week and months are also written with a capital letter. Special holidays and special celebrations are also written with a capital letter. Capital letters are also used in the titles of books, films, and plays. Nationalities and languages also begin with a capital letter. So, these are all the punctuation marks that we should put correctly. Now, let's come to the exercise. In A, you have to put the correct punctuation mark in each of the following sentences. This one you have to do yourself. Now come to B. In this, you have to write the following sentences by putting commas and apostrophe in the correct place. This one also you have to do yourself.